Ever wanted to create a web application but don't know where to start? Today I'll show you how you can create a complete web application using Canva AI tools. No coding skills or code learning is required for this process. Using the Canva AI tools, I was able to create the fully functional weather tracking application that you can see on screen. Let's search for another city. As you can see, the application works and it's fully functional. Let me show you how I did it. The feature that I'm going to demonstrate is still fresh and new. It was only launched a few hours ago during the Canva Uncharted broadcast. Right. So this is the new feature, Canva AI. You will see it on your home page. Right. You click on Canva AI. Right, it is various tools, but for today you are interested in the code for me tool. Right, this is the tool that will enable you to create an application, a fully functional application without any code skills. So let's click on code for me, and then once you do that, right, you need to give it a prompt of what type of application that you want to create. And as you can see, you can create various items or various types of applications. So let's do this. Let's say create an application to track and comment current trending and upcoming movies. Right, create an application to track and comment current trending and upcoming movies. The application should recommend a movie for me, based on my mood for the day, based on my mood. So we can, that's our prompt, right? So we just want to create a movie tracking application or a movie recommendation application, and then we click on go, and then we watch it work. Alright, so it started working. So that's the code there. That's some HTML mixed in with some JavaScript, I think. Right, so let's give it time to work. As it might take a while, I'll pause the recording for now, and then once it's done, I'll resume. After a few minutes and over 500 lines of code, the application is complete. As you can see, the interface on the screen, and on the side it also summarizes what it did for you. This is quite cool. And now to proceed to be able to publish our application, we click on the Use and Design button. So this will open a new page and create a canvas and put our design there. Right, and here we can play around with our design, animate it, and let's see if we can animate. Yeah, that looks cool. Let's use tectonic. Let's use this one. Right, that looks fine. Intensify. Let's use the intensity. Right, you are done. Now to publish our website, there is a button there, publish website. You can click on that. Alright, I already tried this out, so I have the Canva domain on URL, right? But if you click on here, you can get a new domain right away, whereby if you want, you can just buy a new custom domain for you to use that does not have Canva in the path or in the URL. Alright, so let's publish. We'll use the default Canva URL, publish website. Then let's give it a few minutes to work. And our site is ready, our application is ready. Click on view website. This will launch a new tab or a new page on your browser. There it is, it's loading, and the animation that we put is in effect. And that's how you create a fully functional web application with no code skill using Canva. Just a simple prompt. Now let's try opening the application from my mobile phone. Right, let's paste the URL and go. As you can see, the animation that we created is still in effect even on the mobile version, and it's adapting to the screen size. Wow, this is good, guys. That's it in a nutshell. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel. Cheers. Catch you on the next one.